Hello guys, this is Ivan. It is Wednesday. On Wednesday, we had quick promos, special quick promos on Wednesday. We'll go through some of my systems. This is trend lock system. I explained yesterday about it more, or the day before yesterday, how to make huge profits on a very high time frames, like daily or 4-hour or weekly, thousands of pips. You see, here you will be getting signals when to enter, like here. You can use it manually. This is manually system. The name lock is when you get a good trade. You have so many confirmations that practically you lock the system, like here, and make enormous quantity of pips, like here. So first step is waiting for an arrow. Then you need four confirmations. This blue trend line, super trend lock line, and then turbo trend candles, bars. This is very important, and this must be over the zero. Only then you enter the trade, and then you lock your trade and profit. So you will get here this, but this is a red line, this is red, this is under the zero. So you must be patient and you wait until here. Here in this position you have all blue over the zero or blue line. And here guys, if you here on the next candle open the trade, still here you are in action. 480 pips for now. This is fantastic V24 plus trader. If you use trader, forget about anything. You will get set up template and it will take trades. Of course, many of you ask me, do I have special settings for different? No, for different assets. Of course, you go here in properties, trading time, it's up to you. Automated or manual trading, it's up to you. Automated, you don't have to worry, everything is taken automatically. If you want to use it manually, put this to off, put this to off, put this to off, and put your take profit stop loss values. So then you will have 25 pip, take profit 25. You can change it. It's your decision, 50 for example. But if you put it on, then you don't need to ask me, can I send you some settings? This is the settings, guys. I cannot send you other settings. Everything is automating. Only what you put here, I will put that it trades only between 9 and 23 European time. This is Central European time. Or I cannot put your risk. This is your to decide. If you want fixed lot size, then you put, I don't know, 1. I will put 1. But if you put fixed, then this must be 0. You cannot have both. If you have here, let's say, 3%, then trader will take only risk percent, not fixed lot size. So if you have both, it will choose this. EA will trade this. If you want fixed lot size that you like to have, then put here 0. So custom magic is a different number, any number from 1 to 1 million or so, minus, plus, but it must be different for every time, from every pair. So it means that even guys, you can have different, let's say you can have Bitcoin on 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, 4 pairs with Bitcoin, but each one has to got different number here, or it will be only one trade on one. So let it go automatically and everything will be set automatically. If you don't want, put manually. What you will put, I don't know, guys. It is your decision, your risk. But you will always get template ready to be used. This is trading MS16 trader. Bitcoin is open just now. Let's see why. You see the second one, 80%. So we expect here to be in the money sooner or later. So also everything is automated. You will get it set up, basic setup. You see we are in the money. But for your risk, you can change stop loss, take profit, but you cannot change the settings of when to trade, how to trade, except one thing, risk. You can put that minimum 80% is needed to open the trade. For minus, for sell, I put 85. You can change it. As higher this is, the trade is safer, but you will have less trades, of course. So we have 81%. So here it is early phase of the trade. I think it will go up because we have really fantastic trend strength. I will show you maybe later. So there are many products here. X Turbo Trader V24. It is fantastic inside strategy. Here we are in the money, $7,000 with gold. This is Robo Scalper. So you can really choose a lot of things here to trade. And today I'm giving you a special promo. I'm giving you two promo offers. First one is, but this is only if you want 2 products. So if you want, for example, 2 indicators or strategies, for example, you want this one, maybe you would like to have FX Turbo Circle, these two, the price is only $149 for both, and as a bonus you get 30 days free signal service. About the signal service for Forex Premium Signals, watch my previous videos last few days, how to use it. So this is for free. $149 plus this. If, sorry guys, yes, I told you wrongly. So any 2 products, not just 2 indicators. So you can choose 2 EAs, V24 for example, and this one which is fighting now, MS Trader, both for $149. So any 2 products, plus as a bonus 30 days of signals. But guys, if you take free products, any free expert advisors or indicators, so even you can take 3 expert advisors, or you can take 3 indicators, or 2 indicators, 1 expert advisor, but free. All free for 199 euros, 199, and you get 3 months signals service for free. So practically 4 products for $1.99, or the offer number 1, free products for $1.49. So guys, it would be all. This is valid 24 hours from now. Don't ask later. Or guys, I am offering, if you want something special, what you want, just request, send me. For example, I want your best 4 products. Let's say 2 best expert advisors, 2 best indicators. In your opinion, give me the offer, and I will give you a special offer. But today, I made these 2 offers for you. One is $149 euros, sorry, for free products. I mean free if we include signals. So 2 plus signals. Or free products, $1.99. It means any 2 products plus 3 months signals for free. So 2 plus 1, and this is 3 plus 1. This one is signals. So for $1.49, 2 any products plus 1 month signals. Or second offer, 3 products, any products, EA strategy indicator, free, plus you get 3 months signal service. You see how much you save. Guys, it would be all. Really, I want you very happy trading and good day. Bye bye.